Hey everyone, I'm Ben with LawPro Nation, and today we're going to talk about some very important information when it comes to advertising on social media. So, you're an attorney who's built a solid referral network, and the cases are coming in, but now you're ready to scale, to really take things to the next level. So what's next? Advertising. But before you dive in, let's break down what you need to know to set yourself up for success and avoid the common pitfalls that can trip up even the best of us. First, let's talk about platforms. Social media advertising isn't one size fits all. Each platform has its own strengths and strategies. And here's how each one works. Facebook and Instagram. These platforms are all about visibility. You're mainly paying for reach, which means getting in front of as many people as possible. Facebook and Instagram work great for building awareness, especially with broad targeting and engaging video content that grabs attention fast. But remember, it's about volume. So you'll need eye-catching, memorable content to stop that scroll. TikTok. TikTok is all about the first few seconds. This is a fast-paced platform where you need to hook viewers instantly. Here, raw, authentic content tends to perform better than overly polished videos. This platform is gold for grabbing people's attention, but keep it quick, real, and relatable. Now, YouTube. YouTube is a bit different. It's more of a search-driven platform. So people here are already looking for information. You can run longer ads, and viewers are more willing to sit through them if the content is valuable. YouTube ads can work well if you're educating potential clients about your services or answering common legal questions they may have, and budgeting across states. Now, if you're licensed in multiple states, budgeting strategically is essential. Here's why. Spending $5,000 in a state like Indiana or Missouri can often bring a strong return. But if you try to spread that same $5,000 budget across multiple states like Indiana and Ohio, your reach and impact get diluted. Think of it like this. If the average cost to acquire a case in Indiana is around $1,500 a case, then spending only $3,000 and trying to split that between two states means you're putting too little into each state to gain any real traction. So, if you're going to advertise in multiple states, make sure you allocate enough budget per state to see results. Next up is content. In today's advertising world, attention spans are short. You have seconds to make an impression. So if you're just standing in front of a bookshelf, crossing your arms and saying, "We care, we'll fight for you," you're gonna blend in with every other lawyer ad out there. That's not memorable, and it's certainly not compelling. What you need is content that's authentic, relatable, and a little bit different. You don't need a Hollywood budget, but you do need to stand out. Be real, be approachable, and leave the legal jargon behind. Talk to people like they're humans, not legal experts. They don't care about the technical terms. They want to know how you can help them solve their problem. So show them that in a way they'll remember. Now let's talk about hiring an agency. This is a big one. A lot of agencies out there are all smoke and mirrors. They'll throw big numbers at you, promising incredible results that sound too good to be true, and that's because they often are. So before you get swept up in promises, do your homework. Your law license is on the line here, and the last thing you want is to jeopardize it because an agency doesn't understand or follow legal advertising rules. So here are some tips. Ask for references. Talk to attorneys they've worked with before. Get the real story about their experience. Next is see the ads they've produced. Make sure they can show you compliant and effective ads. You want to see proof, not just hear promises. And check their compliance knowledge. Remember, in the end, the state bar will come after you, not the agency, if there's a problem. So make sure they understand your agency and are careful about compliance. If you're vetting an agency, look past the promises and focus on their experience, their track record, and their approach. Make sure they've done this successfully for other lawyers because you didn't work this hard to risk it all on a team that doesn't have your back. So, to all the attorneys out there ready to dive into advertising, remember these tips. Know your platforms, budget wisely, create memorable content, and vet your agency carefully. And if you're looking for a team with real experience, a track record of success, and a deep understanding of what it takes to help lawyers grow, then reach out to us at LawPro Nation. Go to our website, www.lawpronation.com, to book a call, and let's talk about building a strategy that works for you. We're here to help you. Talk soon.